Hi all, Ankit this side from Digital Buffy, and in this video I am going to talk about how to choose your Shopify store name. Shopify store name has a lot of significance, and you need to invest a lot of time. You need to take a lot of precautions, and you need to brainstorm a lot of ideas before deciding one and finalizing one store name for your business, because this is something that's going to last with you for a very longer time. So it's pretty much recommended to spend a lot of time and decide one particular one or two word name which is easy to remember and easy to write and easy to share. So in this video, I am going to tell you a lot of guidelines that you need to fulfill, you need to follow before you come to a conclusion and put your name, decide a name for your Shopify store. So here are the points that you need to remember. First and foremost thing, it should be simple. You should think about it as a 2 to 4th grade grammar, something which is very simple, even a kid can understand. And you need to, use very super simple words, uh, nothing complicated. Like if you want to complicate things, then you will have to, dictate it again and again to someone. Someone will not find it easy to, write here and after hearing understand things. So it's pretty much recommended to keep it very simple, very simple. Plus it should be speakable. Like you need to make sure that it's easy to speak on phone and there is no need to dictate the spelling and anything like that. And it should be memorable at the same time. There is a very strong reason why Uber is called Uber, Ola is called Ola. If you hear something like, if someone is called, my store name is Uber, the person on the other side will not ask you for spelling, or they will remember your store then and there. Ola, Oyo. So there is a very strong reason why this is very short and precise and crisp. So your store name should be simple, speakable, memorable. It should be maximum 1 to 2 words. Like Corona things. My store name is Corona things. So it's combination of 2 words. Corona is everyone knows about Corona. Even a kid knows about Corona. And things is like pretty simple. Things pretty simple. Everybody knows about that. Always choose a .com domain. You never know when you need to step out of the current market and choose a different market. So it's recommended to stick to a .com domain. I know it's not 1990 or early 2020 that you will find .com domain easily, but yeah, if you explore, then chances are very high that you will get a .com domain. You will have to brainstorm. That's what I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Just a small simple idea. When you are running out of ideas, like what should my store name be, so use adjectives like happy, cool, fun, calm. Like happy store, then ocean, colors, animals. Like I love panda, so if you want to play with panda, you can like pink panda. Pink panda is by the way, it's a very good name. I don't know if it's available or not. You can play with colors like red ocean, blue ocean, black pearl, you know uh, happy lion, like cute puppy. uh, Again, don't forget to use common words. So these are some of the ideas that you can implement. While now, coming to the point, where will you find the right set of your business or Shopify store names? Okay, so there is a website called shopify.in/business name generator. So in this business name generator, all you have to do is click on any of the keywords. Like suppose I love panda and I will stick to panda. Okay, so let's type panda, generate names. You will see panda, panda designs, channel panda, drop panda, panda nexus, sunny panda, panda hit panda. So there are various names that starts or ends with panda. Okay, city panda is a good name. So when you think that okay, so this is a good name, this name resonates with your liking. So all you have to do is go to GoDaddy or Namecheap. Like these are the two places which provides cheap domain service, domain names. Okay. So and the other way of doing this is by lean domain search. Lean domain search. So this is the website. All you have to do is like check out this website. This has some cool features. Like suppose if you want to explore something that is related to coffee. Okay, so they will give you a hell lot of options like valid coffee, semantic coffee. Just find out some result coffee, plum coffee, pro coffee, like all pro coffee. So these are some of the names that you can play around with. Like you can see various coffee related things. Now suppose if you want to click on panda, create panda, panda scene, consumer panda, panda status, valley panda, friends panda, panda addict. So like suppose if you want to play with ocean name, nature ocean, so jap ocean, monkey ocean, cover ocean, board ocean. So leandomainsearch.com and Shopify business name generator. So these are some of the couple of tools which I use to get some good recommendations for my own business name. When I find something, I go ahead with GoDaddy and search on GoDaddy and Namecheap. Like suppose I will go with Blue Ocean. Often, always recommended to go with .com. I know Blue Ocean won't be available because it's pretty common name. Yeah, this is already taken. That's registered in 1995. Just imagine. Okay, so check out, find out your best name. Then don't forget to check out the available domain. If that domain is available, then go ahead and check out with like suppose Panda Maps. If you want to register with Panda Maps, then you have to check out in two places: your store name, Panda Maps, and then whether Panda Maps.com is available for domain or not. If pandamaps.com is not available, then we need to rethink our store name. So this is like hit and trial. If you are lucky, you will get all the things in the first go. Else you will have to try again and again. Just remember things. Make it simple, speakable, memorable. 1 to 2 words max. Always choose a .com domain, and you can use adjective, nature, colors, animals, common words, and just brainstorm things. Use a couple of sites like Shopify Business Name Generator and Lean Domain Search to get some cool ideas. Then check the same domain name which you get recommendations from Business Name Generator and Lean Domain Search on Google, GoDaddy, and Namecheap. If that available, then claim that particular store for your Shopify store, and you are all set to go. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel to get future updates related to Shopify e-commerce and dropshipping. Bye bye guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.